Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a gift idea collaboration with some other amazing YouTube channels. So I hope that you will go and check those out after you leave here. But before you go, I hope that you will stick around and check out what I have to show you. So if you're new here, I just wanted to introduce myself. My channel is called Best Life Lee. Easy DIYs or recipes, ways to decorate. I do a few vlogs. I think what I try to show you is that you don't have to be this super talented person with a super beautiful home to be able to create beautiful things and enjoy your life, which is why it's called Best Life. So come along with me. I'm going to show you 3 gift ideas for people in your life. A few months back in a girls trip haul, I showed a wine charm that I made to give as gifts on a girls trip. One of my subscribers, Eileen, hi Eileen, she asked if I would show how I made that wine charm. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the wine charm. All right, so what you're going to need when you want to make your wine charms is this little holder, little wine charm holder, and I got these from Amazon and I will link them below. But they just look like, kind of look like a big earring, and they just have like a little hook, you can see, and you just kind of unhook it and you can put on here whatever you want. So you can have some charms. Now I have gold charms, but I also have silver charms that are left over from the other wine charms that I made. But you can mix and match these, obviously. They do have these in a gold tone, which would probably look better, but it's okay. You can put little you know, rhinestones, you can put little tassels, and you can use the beads, little beads, to coordinate the colors that you want. So for today's project, as a Christmas gift, I'm going to use something that would be pertaining to the person that I'm going to be giving them to. So it's for my daughter. So I will put a tree of life. She likes owls. She likes elephants. I will do a heart. I will do a peace sign. And I will do a key. So if I want to make this one set so that they are different but they match, I'm going to coordinate the colors of the beads that I'm going to use. So I'm going to take all of these green beads, and then I'm also going to use an ivory bead. Now you can use larger beads if you want. Obviously, this is where you kind of make this unique to your taste or to the person that you're gifting it to. Okay, so then what I do is I'm going to open this up. What I want to do is I want to have the ivory color on the end, the green, then the charm, then the ivory color after. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put 2 ivory, 2 green, no, 1 green. I'll put a green, then I'll put a charm, and then I'll put another green and 2 ivories. And I will do that for all of them. So they will look like a matching set. 2 ivory, a green, then a charm. And I'm just gonna do that with all the rest of them. There you have the matching set. And that would be a great gift. And then you can just get, you know, a little gift bag. You can get these, they're like see-through. And you can just put your wine charms in the little gift bag. And you can give this with a bottle of wine. Put your wine charms over a bottle of wine. And here I have a lovely gift to give my daughter. All right, so the next gift is for the taco lover in your life. I found this great taco warmer, and this is all from Amazon. I will link everything below. It's a ceramic taco warmer. And I also found these really great taco shell holders. They're really, really pretty. I have a set of those. And then I also have a Taco Tuesday cookbook with all kinds of great recipes for tacos. And then I have this great salsa dish that's shaped like a jalapeno or shaped like a chili pepper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to sort of put the cover like this. I'll put everything inside and wrap it in a cellophane, like a basket kind of a thing. Now what I'm going to use to stick this cover onto this is this amazing tape called Alien Tape. I use this for everything, and I picked this up at TJ Maxx at some point in time. But I'm sure you can get this anywhere, and actually if I can find it on Amazon, I'll definitely link it below. But I'm just going to take a piece of this tape, and this is really, really sticky tape, but it comes off easily, so they'll be able to take it off when they want to wash that. So I'm just gonna take my tape, and it's double-sided obviously, so you take the little covering off. I need my glasses. So you take the little piece off, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick it to the side of my warming dish, and then I'm just gonna take my cover, and I'm just gonna stick it on there so that it's not gonna fall off. So come on down, I'll show you how I'm gonna put everything into the warming dish. Okay, so I'm just going to take my taco book and fit it in next to there. I'm gonna put the salsa prep for my salsa bowl, and then I'm gonna take my salsa, my taco containers, and I'm just going to put them into the basket like that. And then I'm just going to take my cellophane, and this is just a clear plastic transparent wrap, and then you just want to make sure you cut a piece that's big enough. Give yourself plenty. And I'm just gonna sort of sit it into the middle of this. And then you just take your cellophane and you wrap it around nice and tight. And what I do is I take tape just to make it more secure before I try to put my ribbon on there. And then I just take my little gift tag, put my ribbon through the gift tag. Tie it in a bow, nice and tight. And there you have your gift for the taco lover in your life. And this is great for, you know, kids who have just moved into their own apartment, or, you know, the newly married couple, or anyone who really loves tacos. So there is gift number 2. All right, now this last gift could be for your coworker, could be for, you know, someone who, you know, you just want to give a little something to. And if they are a Hallmark movie lover, this is perfect for them. So what I have is I have a mug, and this one is really, really pretty. It's called the Hug in a Mug. This doesn't have to be just for Christmas for the mug. They can continue to use this all winter long and all year long, really. And so what I would do is, these are Hallmark Channel movie watching, feeling Hallmark Channel movie levels of merry. So cute, right? So I would just tuck these socks into the mug. Now you can add in a gift card very easily, and then you would just take your cellophane wrap again, cut a square, and again just take your tape and wrap it around so it's nice and tight. And if your cellophane is too big, you just give it a little trim, no big deal. Wrap your ribbon around. And there you have your cute little gift. This is a cute little easy gift for a hairdresser, for your nail technician, for, you know, your coworker. Something simple. It doesn't cost a lot of money and it looks beautiful. So those are my 3 gift ideas for you. I hope that you have gotten some inspiration from this video. As I said, I will have everything linked below. I hope that you have a wonderful holiday season. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. And don't forget to check out all of the channels that I have listed below on this collaboration. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.